Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about placing code from admin side. In this video, we will see why quotation need to be placed from admin side, how to place code from admin side, and how to convert quotation into order. So the first question is why quotation need to be placed from admin side. So just suppose if someone is asking you uh, for any of the product pricing over call or email or WhatsApp, so you have given the pricing, but how can it be converted into the order, or how you will document it, or how you will process the order? So to streamline the process, what we are giving you, you can ask the customer all the details and you can just add quotation on behalf of customer, so it will get documented, your customer will get email, and it can be a smooth transition from a quotation to conversion into order. So let's see how it works. Just go to the admin, go to quote management and view quotes. So here we are giving the button add new quote. So you can place quotation on behalf of your customer. Just fill this form. Let's say if I put it as a sample quote in quote title, then if I keep my name over here, so, so here are the details. We can choose for the existing product or for the custom product. Existing product, the products which are available on your website, like you can see all the list over here, and the custom product, the products which are not available on your website. So you can place quotation for both kind of products. Here, for example, we are taking existing product named as business card, and here we can see which size we need to take, quantities, then printing side front only, spine no, any other comment, size. So size we have already added. So all the details we can fill it over here and just click on save and continue. As we will click save and continue, the quotation has been placed on behalf of customer. So now you are the admin, so you have to given the pricing as well to this customer. So what can you do? You can do three things while giving the pricing. Either you can enter the quote price for this particular requirements, which you can see it over here as you are already aware because you have added the quotation. Second one is you want to communicate to the customer, post message to customer, or you want to cancel this quote. But in this particular quote, you want to just give the pricing. So let's say for 500 quantities, you are giving the estimation of $175, and shipping you are choosing based on VAT or flat shipping. So you have choosing shipping price flat as $7, and production days you have chosen, let's say 4 days. Then there is no tax is default. That's it. And you can just save this quote. So the quotation pending to status has changed to the quotation. So if you log in as a customer, the customer can see this quote in his order quote section. So as if customer logs in, if you go to the my account and my quote, customer will also receive the emails for the same, and he can see this is the quotation request. He can see it over here. If you click on view details, he can see what quotation he has asked for and how much pricing you are asking for to him customer and everything. Then customer has the authority over here. Either he can approve it or reject it. And at the same time, the admin, if he goes under the view code section, he can also click on action and convert it to order. Let's say if the customer is not ready to do anything from his side, then inside the admin, we are giving this button to convert the order. Otherwise, customer can also approve it or reject it. If customer is approving, then it will automatically convert it into the order. Or if this was 94, if from the admin side, if you click on convert to order, it will ask you business card 500 quantity, pricing will be this one and shipping price will be this one, and click on continue. Okay. So here it is asking you for the shipping and payment details. So you just need to select the shipping details. If you have any queries regarding this, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.